That button you've been ignoring for years, it just saved someone from a $400 tow bill. That tiny one hiding in your key fob, it saved a man's life 3 weeks ago. Your car has 17 secret features mechanics will never tell you about. Features that prevent breakdowns, save you real money, and could literally save your life. Number 17 stops dead battery panic. Number 1 is the difference between life and death. Let's get into it. Number 17, hidden keyhole and backup key in your fob. If your fob dies in a parking lot, car won't unlock. Most people panic. Don't. Hidden inside your fob is a physical metal key. Look for a small button or tab on the side. Press it and a key slides out. Now, where's the keyhole? On most cars, it's hidden under the driver's door handle. Pop off the small cover on the back edge, slide in the key, turn, door unlocked. No remote needed. A woman in Florida paid $180 for a tow truck because her fob died at Walmart. The tow driver showed her that hidden key. She almost cried. Check your fob right now. Find that key, know where your keyhole hides. You'll thank yourself later. But dead battery problems get worse than this. Number 16, shift lock override. Battery dies, car won't start, but here's the real trap. Your shifter is locked in park. No power means no shifting. You can't even push the car or load it onto a flatbed. But engineers built a manual override. Look around your shifter for a small plastic cover. It might say shift lock. Pop it off. Underneath is a small button or slot. Press it or insert your key, and now you can shift out of park. A college kid in Ohio almost paid $200 for a tow truck. His roommate Googled shift lock override, found the button, and they pushed the car to a spot for free. Jumped it the next morning. 5 minutes, $200 saved. That button's been in your car for years. You never knew. Number 11, dashboard ice warning. See that little snowflake icon on your dashboard? That's not decoration. When outside temps drop to around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, your car warns you. Not at 32 degrees, because roads freeze before the air does. Bridges and overpasses freeze first. That sensor measures temperature near the road surface. It's giving you real-time data about conditions. Your car is literally screaming, slow down, and most of you ignore it every single winter. That's why people end up in ditches. Number 14, turn off lane departure warnings permanently. That lane departure beeping driving you insane? You can kill it for good. Most cars reset it every ignition cycle, but some let you disable it permanently. Go to your infotainment screen, find driver assist or safety settings. Look for lane departure warning and check if there's a default off or remember setting option. Activate it, done. No more slapping that button every time you start your car. Number 13, SOS Emergency Button. That SOS button on your rearview mirror or overhead console, most people ignore their entire lives. Huge mistake. One press connects you directly to emergency services. It uses GPS to send your exact location. Even if you can't speak, they know where you are. Some systems, like OnStar, even detect crashes automatically. Airbags deploy, the system calls 911 without you touching anything. Last year in Michigan, an elderly driver had a stroke behind the wheel. He hit that SOS button before losing consciousness. Responders arrived in 8 minutes using his exact GPS coordinates. Doctors said those minutes saved his life. Know where that button is before you need it. In an emergency, fumbling costs lives. Number 12, walk-away auto-locking. Did I lock the car? You turn around, press the button, hear the beep, keep walking. We've all done it. But some cars have walk-away locking. You walk away with the fob, car locks itself. No button press. Check your owner's manual under automatic locking. Some cars have it on by default. Others need you to activate it in settings. Bonus, you can set it to unlock when you approach too. Hands full of groceries, car unlocks as you walk up. No fumbling. How many of you walk back to your car 3 times to make sure it's locked? Comment below. You need this feature. If you're finding value here, hit subscribe. Journey Auto drops hidden car knowledge most channels won't tell you. Number 11, traction control button. That button with a car and squiggly lines, traction control. Most people never touch it. That's a problem. Traction control cuts engine power when wheels spin, great on slippery roads, but when you're stuck in snow or mud, it cuts power and you go absolutely nowhere. That's when you turn it off. Press the button. Wheels spin freely. Rock the car. Get unstuck. A woman in Colorado spun her wheels for 20 minutes in her driveway after a snowstorm. Called a tow truck, $150. The driver pressed one button. She drove out in 10 seconds. She paid $150 to learn about a button already in her car. Important, turn traction control back on once you're free. Driving without it on slippery roads is dangerous. Number 10. Tilt down mirror for parking. Parallel parking? Tight spots? You can't see how close your wheels are to the curb. One wrong move, scraped rims, $300 repair. Here's the fix. Shift into reverse and tilt your passenger side mirror down to see your rear wheel and the curb. Many cars save this position automatically. Every time you reverse, the mirror tilts down. Curb damage costs over $800 million in tire and rim repairs annually in the US. One mirror adjustment prevents most of it. Number 9. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Someone's tailgating you at night with their brights blasting your mirror. If you have an auto-dimming mirror, it darkens automatically using 2 sensors. One measures light ahead, one measures light behind. When it detects bright lights behind you and darkness ahead, it dims itself. Quick tip, hanging stuff from your rearview mirror blocks those sensors and kills this feature. That cute air freshener, it's blinding you. And in most states, it's actually illegal, considered an obstruction of view. Number 8. Headlight adjustment dial. Cars keep flashing their brights at you, but you're not running high beams. Your headlights are aimed too high. Look near your left knee on the dashboard. Small dial with numbers and a headlight symbol. That's your headlight level adjuster. When your trunk is loaded heavy, the rear sinks and your front tilts up. Headlights aim higher. Dial it down a notch or two. Empty car, back to 0. One adjustment. Better visibility for you, less rage from everyone else. Plot twist, you've been that driver this whole time. Number 7. Key fob panic button as flashlight and safety tool. Your panic button isn't just for finding your car in a crowded lot. Walking to your car in a dark parking garage? Press it. Headlights flash, instant light source, no phone needed. Feel unsafe? Someone following you? That panic button creates noise, flashing lights, and attention. Sometimes that's all you need. One button, multiple uses, way more than you think. Number 6. Hidden remote start in the key fob. Think your car doesn't have remote start? You might be wrong. Many cars hide it in the fob with a non-obvious button sequence. Typically, press lock, then immediately press and hold lock again for about 3 seconds. Car starts remotely. A mechanic told me about a customer who paid $400 for aftermarket remote start, then discovered 2 weeks later their car already had it factory built into the fob. They just didn't know the sequence. Check your manual under Remote Engine Start. I'm betting half of you watching have it and don't know it. Comment and tell me. Number 5. Auto folding mirrors. Your side mirrors fold in, but did you know you can program them to fold automatically when you lock the car? Replacing a side mirror costs $300 to $700 with cameras and sensors. Over 19% of mirror damage happens in parking lots while the car is unattended. Folded mirrors are harder to hit. Check under Mirror Settings. Set it once, forget it. Lock the car, mirrors fold. Unlock, they unfold. Tell that overkill opinion to the guy who just paid $600 because someone clipped his mirror. Number 4. Black dots on your windshield. Those black dots along your windshield edge? Not decoration. They're called frits. They block UV light from weakening the adhesive that bonds your windshield to the frame. Without them, we can seal, leaks, water damage, mold, rust, electrical problems. The gradient pattern also prevents lensing, where sunlight focuses through glass and creates heat distortion. Those dots diffuse light evenly so your vision stays clear. You've looked at them 1,000 times. Now you know they're protecting your car every single day. Number 3. Extendable sun visor trick. Your visor flips down, everyone knows that, but it also swings sideways. Unhook it from the center mount and swing it to cover your side window. Some visors even have a panel that slides out for extra coverage. Sun glare contributes to thousands of accidents annually in the US. That visor isn't just comfort, it's safety. Use it from every angle. How many of you are squinting through side sun right now when your visor literally swings sideways? Most of you, I bet. Number 2. Adjustable steering weight. Some cars let you adjust how heavy or light your steering feels independent of your drive mode. Like Eco Mode fuel savings but hate the numb steering? Customize it. Engine in Eco, steering in Sport. Check your settings under Steering or Vehicle Dynamics. A woman almost returned her new SUV thinking the steering was broken. Her mechanic showed her the steering weight setting, she switched it to Sport, problem solved. No repair, just a setting she didn't know existed. Number 1. Double tap hazards to save your life. This is the one I saved for last because it could literally save your life. Double tap your hazard button quickly. Some cars activate emergency mode, where hazards flash faster and brighter than normal. Regular hazards, people ignore them. Fast flashing emergency hazards, that gets attention. 3 weeks ago in Texas, a driver had a heart attack behind the wheel. His wife double-tapped the hazards. The fast-flashing pattern caught the attention of an off-duty paramedic driving behind them. That paramedic called 911 and followed until help arrived. That double-tap saved his life. Test yours right now. In an emergency, every second counts, and this one button could be the difference between life and death. Outro. If even one of these 17 features was hiding in your car, smash that like button. Drop a comment. Which feature blew your mind? I'm betting most of you had no idea about that shift lock override. Subscribe to Journey Auto for hidden car secrets they'll never teach you at the dealership. And if you want to know which maintenance myths are costing you money, click the video on screen right now. See you in the next one.